Hi guys, I have a dentist appointment this morning, so I'll be in later today to help you with this, but I want to give you this video to show you the assignment you're starting today. Before we begin, don't forget Gettysburg trip. Your permission slip and your money are due Monday, February 13th. Um, what you're getting today is a mind map assignment, and I'm showing you just some key dates here that today your job will be to hopefully define all the terms, maybe start creating your groups. Tuesday, tomorrow in class, then you'll create labels for your groups and start the mind map and then finish it up on Wednesday to submit it. And I'm showing you this now so you realize what you're getting today is not something you need to finish right away. It's going to be a significant amount of work. So let's take a look at it. First, I hope you notice I went back to weeks, say Module 1, Module 2, Week 3. We basically were in weeks anyway. Each of these two modules lasted about a week. But most of you guys seem like you'd rather have these weeks and days, and it's simpler. It's what we're used to. So we have Monday, February 6th. Your job today is to start this quarter 2 list group label activity. So if we take a look at it, we'll take a look at the expectations. The end result is for you to have a mind map. Obviously, this is a pretty good one. It's a really good one. Very creative. I don't expect yours to look like this. However, for those of you who are visual learners, this is something that might help you to put pictures here. You know, whether you draw them, paste them, it's up to you. But we'll get to that a little bit later on. It says here, over the next few days, your job is to complete the mind map using Bubble or a piece of paper, and I'll talk more about that when I get back tomorrow. Your mind map should help you understand the meanings of the terms and make connections amongst them. Here you go. Down here, some things to look at. The first thing, I have 4 steps for you to follow. The first one says define the terms. So this is what your goal is for today. It says make sure you know what each term means below. Feel free to divide these terms amongst your table groups to find their definitions. You need to make sure you understand all 40 of these words. It's a lot. Some of them are things we've seen before. Cotton gin, Elias Howe, the Erie Canal, DeWitt Clinton. These are people that we've seen. Some of them are words or terms that you probably don't know yet. Urbanization, Rockefeller, Fulton. These are people that we haven't really mentioned too much about. So your job today is to make sure you guys as a desk group know what each of these are. Then, starting today and probably finishing tomorrow, your goal will be to divide the list into groups of 3 to 5 terms each. And this is where it's kind of firm. Each list must have 3 to 5 terms. You can repeat terms if you want, but you need to have at least 3 terms in each list and no more than 5. That's going to be tough and challenging later. You'll see that. Finally, on Tuesday and into Wednesday, you're going to create a label for each group of the terms. Your label should help you explain a connection amongst the terms. You don't want to avoid using things like important people or new inventions because that's simple. Your label should kind of help you to understand what they really mean. And then finally, Wednesday, you'll put your mind map together in class. This is kind of putting the cart before the horse, so to speak, though. Until you have this step done, number 1, defining the terms, you really can't do anything else. So make sure today you really spend your time focusing on coming up with these definitions. Then you can start your group or grouping the terms. Good luck today. If you have any questions, I'll be around team time. I'll be back. Again, make sure you have these things defined so that you can really start to work with it tomorrow. See ya.